You must have heard a lot of Delhi's government schools that are termed as model school. But our state West Bengal possesses one such school in its kitty that can surpass so-called model schools of Delhi in all respect. This school is situated in Durgapur city of Paschim Bardhaman district in the state of West Bengal.
सरकारी स्कूल, लोगों की धारणा है कि हर कुछ सरकार करेगी। ऐसी बात नहीं है। यदि किसी के अंदर इच्छा शक्ति हो, स्कूल को नई ऊंचाई तक ले जाने की सोच और परिकल्पना हो, तो सरकारी अनुदान के साथ साथ सामाजिक संसाधनों का उपयोग करके विद्यालय को उच्चतम ऊंचाई तक पहुंचा सकते हैं। नेपाली पारा हिंदी हाई स्कूल इसी सोच का नतीजा है।
In the DPL township of Durgapur city, a Hindi medium school was established in the year 1973, where along with Hindi-speaking people, Nepali-speaking people also lived, due to which the school was named as Nepali Para Hindi School. At that time, Miss Geeta Ghosh was the headmistress of the school. After 14 years of its establishment, the school was recognized as Junior High School on 1st January 1987 by the School Education Department, Government of West Bengal, and accordingly the school was named as Nepali Para Hindi Junior High School. In 1999, the school was upgraded to the status of the high school. At that time, many questions were raised about the quality of education and also the infrastructure of the school. Then it seemed a miracle happened. The year was 2010. Dr. Kalimul Haq took over as the headmaster of the school. At that time, Dr. Kalimul Haq had to face many negative things related to the school from different corners. He even came to hear why he chose Nepali Para Hindi High School. Not distracted by all these things, he accepted it as a challenge and resolved on the same day that he would promote and spread education among the poor and needy students and bring the school to the highest peak. But the basic question was, how was it possible? With this concern, he worked day and night and devoted all his time to the school. The sole aim was to take Nepali Para Hindi High School to the highest position in the field of education. How was this journey?
जिस समय हमने इस विद्यालय का पदभार ग्रहण किया, उस समय जब मैं शिक्षा दफ्तर गया या फिर और भी कहीं गया, तो जो स्कूल का रिपुटेशन था वो बहुत ही ख़राब था। कोई भी इस स्कूल के बारे में अच्छा नहीं कर रहा था। ना कोई डिसिप्लिन था, ना टीचरों के पास कोई रूटीन हुआ करता था। टॉयलेट्स ब्लॉक नहीं थे, सिर्फ एक लड़कियों के लिए टॉयलेट था। अगर बड़ा टॉयलेट जाना हो तो लोग स्टेशन या टेलीफोन एक्सचेंज जाते थे। सिर्फ 10 क्लासरूम था। यानी हर तरह से ये स्कूल समाज का एक बहुत ही पिछड़ा हुआ स्कूल था। ये तो बड़ा अटपटा लगा, लेकिन इससे जो असुविधाएं थी उसको हमने एक चैलेंज के रूप में स्वीकार किया और ये प्लानिंग किया कि हमको इसको किस तरह से डेवलप करना है और चाइल्ड फ्रेंडली स्कूल के रूप में कन्वर्ट करना है।
At that time, there was neither proper arrangement for students to sit in the classroom nor a proper toilet system. The school campus was filled with bushes, but after the year 2013, there was no need to look back for the school. The school kept getting awards one after the other. In the year 2013, Nirmal Vidyalaya Puraskar. In the year 2016, second most inspirational school award of the year of Undivided Bardhaman district. Dr. Kalimul was also awarded as the best headmaster of the year of Undivided Bardhaman district in the year 2016. In 2017, the school was awarded with Sishumitra Vidyalaya Puraskar for District Best School Award. In 2018, the school was given Certificate of Appreciation for Jamini Roy Puraskar as 4th Best School of the state. 2019, Dr. Kalimul Haq received Shiksha Ratna Award by the Chief Minister of West Bengal, Ms. Mamta Banerjee, as State Best Headmaster Award. The same year, in 2019, Nepalipara Hindi High School was recognized as Best School of the State and awarded with Jamini Roy Puraskar. And the very next year, 2020, Headmaster of Nepalipara Hindi High School, Dr. Kalimul Haq, received the Nation Best Teacher Award 2020, National Award to Teachers by the Honorable President of India, Shri Ramnath Kovind.
पश्चिम बंगाल के पश्चिम वर्धमान स्थित लबोरहुत के नेपाली पारा हिंदी हाई स्कूल के मुख्य अध्यापक डॉक्टर कलीमुल हक ने एक योग्य शिक्षक और स्कूल प्रबंधक के रूप में एक बड़ा योगदान दिया है। स्मार्ट कक्षाओं, सुसज्जित प्रयोगशालाओं, उद्यानों, भोजन सुविधाओं और परिस्थिति संबंधी पहल के लिए और शैक्षणिक उत्कृष्टता के लिए भारत सरकार राष्ट्रीय पुरस्कार से सम्मानित करती है।
The receiving of awards continued, and in 2022, Nepalipara Hindi High School received National Award for Swachh Vidyalaya Puraskar from the Ministry of Education, Government of India. And thus, it is the only school in West Bengal which has 2 State Best School Awards and 2 National Awards. In this way, the efforts of Dr. Kalimul Haq and his entire team members made Durgapur Paschim Bardhaman district as well as the entire state of West Bengal proud. A government school, but stuck the environment of the school, beginning from the main entrance to the classrooms. It presents a totally different scenario, starting from quotes of great personalities, innumerous formulas and information of science and mathematics, neat and clean classrooms and computer labs, art gallery, career hub, TLM workshop, rainwater harvesting system, vermicompost, rooftop kitchen garden, solid liquid waste management system and a bird shelter called Pakhiralay. Besides, students are offered ample facilities for sports, yoga, self-defense training and scout and guide training in school. All these achievements are result of intensive teamwork, due to which the school is continuously setting new goals and working according to it.
एसएम ज्वाइन किया 2010 में। उसके बाद से एक अलग उत्साह के साथ स्कूल को विकसित हम लोगों ने किया है और आज इस मुकाम पे हैं कि हर सुविधा हमारे यहाँ उपलब्ध है।
Besides, co-curricular activities promoting art and culture and computer education are also offered to develop ethos of the students and keep them up to date.
शिक्षा का उद्देश्य है उसको यहाँ पर प्रॉपर्ली पूरी तरह से हेड सर जो है ध्यान रखते हैं कि बच्चे को कैसे कंप्यूटर में आगे बढ़ाया जाए, कैसे उनको खेल कूद की दिशा में आगे दिया जाए, उनको मनोरंजन का दिशा जैसे है नाच गान शिक्षा, हर क्षेत्र में उनका सर्वांगीण विकास की ओर हमेशा ध्यान दिया जाता है।
इस स्कूल में कोई मैनेजिंग कमेटी का प्रेसिडेंट और कोई डिफरेंस नहीं होता है, सब एक ही है, नो क्लासिफिकेशन इज देयर। तो हम लोग का एक साथ में एक टीम में हम लोग काम करते हैं। हम लोग का टीम का कैप्टन है हम लोग का हेडमास्टर डॉक्टर कलीमुल हक। हम उनका निर्देश, उनका चिंताधारा हम लोग आगे बढ़ रहा है।
Initially, there was only one girls' toilet in the school. Cattles roamed through the school campus. Male staff had to go to toilets situated at adjoining telephone exchange office or railway station, as there was no toilet for male staff in the school. But owing to the collective efforts of all concerned, the school has created history and has become a role model.
सर का सबको अपने पारिवारिक सदस्य के रूप में व्यवहार करते हैं। हमको कभी लगता ही नहीं कि हम में कोई भेद है, कुर्सी ऊंच नीच कुर्सी का भेद है। हमेशा हमारे साथ अच्छा, हमारे सुख दुख में हमेशा हाजिर रहते हैं। एडहॉक टीचर भी है, उसके यहाँ कोई फंक्शन होता है तो हेड सर पहले हाजिर रहते हैं और हम लोग के ले के साथ जाते हैं गाड़ियों में और साथ साथ हम लोग बैठ के खाते हैं, एंजॉय करते हैं, फिर हेड सर के साथ आते हैं। तो सबके साथ उनका बहुत ही अच्छा व्यवहार है, प्रेम पूर्वक व्यवहार है और सम्मानीय व्यवहार करते हैं सारे शिक्षकों के साथ।
At present, the school has a strength of more than 4,300 students. Not only Durgapur, students of adjoining areas of Paschim Bardhaman district come to this school for better education opportunities. It seems that every student has a dream of getting educated at Nepalipara Hindi High School and feel proud to do so.
I am Ashish Yadav. I feel to be proud to be a student of this esteemed institution.
I am Khushi Yadav. We are very proud of our head sir. It is because of him that our school has earned such a great name and fame.
School is touching new heights with the help of not only government funds but with economic help of numerous social organizations. The school is attaining peak of development with the help of all concerned.
We are very proud of our Nepalipara Hindi High School.
All these sums up why the school of Durgapur is challenging government schools of Delhi. The school is holding its head high not only in the state but in the whole country with 4,300 students, 27 permanent, 5 para teachers and some temporary teachers. Students of the school are continuously performing well in Madhyamik and higher secondary examinations every year, and this school is becoming a perfect role model to be followed. Nepalipara Hindi High School is now an epitome for every school in the country. The school, which was almost like a non-existing entity before 2010, has now become a role model in the field of education. This is only possible owing to the leadership of Dr. Kalimul Haq and his indomitable spirit to achieve excellence not for himself but for social development at large.